from Charlotte, North Carolina, just to show you really how virtual this business really is. I wish I could be there live, but I'm 37 and a half weeks pregnant, so I apologize for my extra big breaths and sounding really winded. But I would just love to share with you quickly my story with Rodan & Fields and a little bit about the business opportunity that I found very attractive. So a little over a year ago, 15 months to be exact, I joined Rodan & Fields, June of 2014. At the time, I was a stay-at-home mom full-time after leaving a very demanding corporate job. I realized quickly that while I loved being home with my kiddos, I had two at the time, Louie, who's now 4, and Anna, who's 2.5. And like I said, this one that'll be here before we're ready for her in a few weeks. But really, it was after Anna was born I made the tough but amazing decision to stay home. And I realized quickly that while I loved being home with my kiddos, I really missed a part of me. I had worked really hard in my corporate career. I'm a CPA by trade and spent a lot of time in the private equity real estate arena. And I just missed having an outlet. So that's when I revisited the opportunity with Rodan & Fields. I wanted something that could fulfill that need to continue my business acumen and use those skills, but afford me something on my own time and not lose any time with my kids. So like I said, June of 2014, I joined Rodan & Fields, and gosh, I haven't looked back since. I haven't replaced my 6-figure income yet, but I'm well on my way. I cover all of our monthly expenses for our family, which is such a great feeling to be able to contribute again. But more than that, this opportunity has taught me really some valuable leadership skills and has really taught me more about myself than I ever thought it would. I love working with other people, customers, business partners, helping them not only achieve the best skin of their lives, which makes them feel better about themselves, but also business partners be able to, gain their own confidence in their business and make it whatever it looks like for them. It looks very different for a lot of people. It can be a couple $100 a month. It can be thousands of dollars a month. And all that is really determined by you and what your goals are with this business. So what did I find attractive about this opportunity? Why do I feel so strongly about it now? First of all, these are the Proactive doctors. Everyone knows Proactive. They're a global brand, sold in over 180 countries, captured 86% of the world's acne market. This is round 2 for them. They do not need this company. They are simply passionate about skincare and want to leave a legacy. This is their names, Katie Rodan and Kathy Fields. They're out to do the exact same thing what they did with Proactive, now tackling the anti-age market. The difference? They have asked us to partner with them this time. They're saying, we will give you everything you need. Here are your websites, here's your technology, here's your product training. All we need you to do is go out and share. Go out and tell your network about this amazing business opportunity and these products. So that's exactly what we're doing. And it is showing in the press. We get more free press than the top 10 direct sales companies combined. And that's all free. We don't pay one dime for advertising. Which just means more money in our pockets as consultants. Not only the positioning of the doctors, but also the positioning of the company. We are a young company. We just turned 7 years old, and we just went global into Canada. Like I said, Proactive's in over 180 countries. Right now we're in 2, the US and Canada. And they just told us last month at convention that we're headed to Australia next, likely in the fall of 2016. Then we're poised for Asia, and we're not going to stop until we're sold all over the world, becoming that billion-dollar brand that we will be. So I really saw the numbers as getting in at a company at such a ground floor, really before it's a household name, and we will be a household name. I tell potential customers, if you don't try it now, that's fine. I have no doubt in my mind that you will try it eventually. Most direct sales companies have 2 to 4 million consultants. Rodan & Fields is sitting around 80,000, and of that, about 20% are actively working their business. See, I'm sorry, this is the CPA and me coming out, throwing all these numbers at you. But again, just the writing on the wall that the opportunity is huge. We are completely unsaturated in the US, let alone when we talk about global markets. We were just quoted in Salesforce.com for our leading cutting edge technology. I like to mention this because this is not only just about premium skincare. Our doctors are true to our products. Efficacy is our number one concern. These products work, but we're also getting accolades from Salesforce.com for our technology. Everything you need to work your business in the palm of your hand as long as you have Wi-Fi and a connection. We're really not, the doctors don't even like to call us direct sales. They like to call us social commerce, and we're changing the way social commerce has been done. Hasn't been done like this before. We are leading the way. We actually were also just named and dubbed a black swan. I instantly think of Natalie Portman in the movie. But no, a black swan in investing terms and business terms is an unpredictable event, something that could not have been foreseen. We are actually creating market share. Again, just coming out of convention, we had an incredible presentation from Eurostar telling us and showing us facts on how not only are we capturing, we are the 4th premium skincare brand now, not only are we capturing market share away from our competitors, but we're actually creating market share in a niche that didn't exist before. People want premium skincare. They want solutions to these problems, and before Rodan & Fields didn't really know how to go about getting that. That is incredibly exciting. Other black swans are... were dubbed black swans. Amazon.com used to be, you just purchase books. Now you can purchase anything through Amazon.com. Uber. We're all starting to get familiar with Uber if we haven't used it already. Etsy. These types of companies that, again, are unpredictable events kind of coming outside of their peers in a remarkable way. Lastly, I just want to leave you with we get, like I said, more free press than the top 10 direct sales companies combined. We were just in Redbook this month. We were in Allure last month. We don't pay a dime for this advertising. Our products speak for themselves. We are not in charge of, again, the efficacy of our products. The products, if they don't work for you, they all come with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Please send them back if they don't work for you. Our doctors want you to be happy. We want you to be happy with your skin. We're not out to say they're going to work for every single person, but they do work for a lot of people. And lastly, we are a consumable product. When you think about comparing us to really any direct sales company out there, and I love them. There's a lot of bag companies and jewelry companies and nail companies. They're all fun to get together with your friends and have parties, and they sell great products. But the difference between us and them is residual income. You don't have to stock this season's bags or get to know, the product line that's coming out for the fall line and, keep a bunch of stuff around your house. Skincare is consumable. If your customers are happy and they're getting results, they're going to purchase every 60 to 90 days for you. And as that customer base builds over time, that is residual income. And residual income is a beautiful, beautiful thing. So thank you all for letting me share. Like I said, I wish I was there with you. Have a great evening.